my fellow Nigerians, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my video. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. So my wonderful subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May God you're going out and you're coming in. Thanks for your support, your correction, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to talk about the news when I come across on social media concerning our brothers and sisters who are there for Europe, where they into domestic violence. This story I want to talk about so happened for Pistoia for Italy. This man at 30 years old, he married this woman of 36 years. I don't know whether they don't marry. You know, we Africans, we Nigerians, when we don't stay with man, we they call ourselves husband and wife. So it's not really clear whether they marry or they not marry. Make I put the report for you. Now Italy the right hand, but I try my possible best to see how I fit translate them so that people will feel read them for themselves. According to the reports, this man and this woman, they get 3 kids, and this man can watch film for city room. The volume of the television he can't hide. The woman can't come out for his side room. Can't tell and say make you low the volume. The man no agree. The woman can collect the remote of the set by herself. Now the man provoke. Now so he take jack the woman, give am better blow, carry her neck, use and take hits, walk, begin start to beat the poor woman just because she say low the sets. So as they beat the woman can't fit escape. Come out, go the next neighbor room. The man anger not still stop. He come out for his side room, run follow him, go the neighbor apartment, begin to hit the door. Then he come break the handle of the door to force am enter inside house. Now the neighbor come call police. Thank God say police patrol dey for that area where they call carabinieri. They come in. When they reach there, the man begin to use vulgar word. The man begin the paranoid. No one calm down. So they come need to arrest the guy. Take the woman statement. The woman can't talk wetin happen. Say instead make the man low set. Now make the man start to dey beat him. They ask the man question. The man they form Okonga. They form na him get the country. They form him know he rights. He can't begin to use word where they're not supposed to use for police. So they can't carry the man go police station, carry the woman go hospital. The woman complained of ribs pain, where it's a deck and heavy blow for waist, and neck pain where it's a jack and for war. So police now need to arrest the guy, charge him with domestic violence. After they don't treat the woman, they can't leave the woman, may go take off her 3 kids for house. So I want to give my little opinion. I beg una my Nigerian ladies. You know this our African men, with all due respect to our African men, there's so much belief on tradition. There's so much belief on their right to beat women. There's so much belief say if you not beat woman, their head not the correct. I don't know what if it happen. As a Nigerian woman, I can tell you say that house peace not fair day, because if to say peace fair day, I believe say there is a way where this my sister will tell a man say low the set. Maybe she use high tune where the man can feel say now just woman, he not get right to tell her what thing go do for a house as a man, as a traditional man where they claim say they be. With all due respect to men, I not feel understand why our African men believe on beating women. If you not feel lay hand on your mother, I see no reason why you will lay hand on somebody mother. As your mama born you, now so she still born children give you. I don't know why we African women believe say we must tolerate some things we're not supposed to tolerate. We not be punching bag. There are some things we talk with cool mind. 60% of our African men, 60% of Nigerian men, they believe on beating their woman. They believe on beating women, which is not supposed. Make we beg, make we stop this domestic violence. I beg una in the name of God, because one day una fit hit these women for where una not supposed to hit them. Una can't they say na devil where you sit down. Una can't they blame devil where no know one, where no know two, because of una arrogance, because una feel say men woman not get say for where una dey. I beg una, if una not love somebody, make una not stay with them, because children wanna born tomorrow. If somebody beat them come house, I not believe so una go take am likely. I not believe am. Please my women, nobody they change. A woman beater will always be a woman beater. How you go raise hand they beat somebody where you they sleep with, where you they tell say you love? How is that possible? How our men they think think, for crying out loud. With respect to una, make una stop this thing. Is not fair. And our women, make una beg, make una beg. Una not the risk una life because una feel say una want born for one place. Make una not the risk una life because una feel say una must dey for one husband house. That they give person gift say you dey husband house. I know they by any chance they say make person not marry. Marry somebody who love you. Person who really love you can never raise the hand to hit you. Like seriously, you know go try am. Because if you dey hit somebody who you love, it go be like say you dey hit yourself. Imagine the trauma where those children they go through. Imagine the fear where they those children body when the man they beat the woman. Imagine how those children they lock for their bubble of fear. Make una beg, make una stop all these things. I beg una. Nobody they change, my ladies. Nobody they change. Being you man, being you woman. If you marry woman or you deal with woman where they quick raise hand, they hit you. I beg you for the sake of your children, leave that woman because you know they teach those children better thing. You they give those children trauma. You they give those children heartbreak. Not be so it's supposed to be. The kind of life we will live, more not pray that kind of life for our children. I beg una in the name of God. Many stories don't they where women don't lose their life. Women don't lose their life because some women they vex. They can't go hit the man for where they're not supposed to hit them. Many women, many men, they stay for toxic marriage, toxic relationship because they think what people want think. If una don't die, they're not going to talk what they will still talk. You cannot stop people from talking. You cannot stop people from thinking whatever they want to think. For the sake of your children, since you not value your life, value the life of your children. Give your children a better life. For the sake of those little innocent kids, leave that toxic marriage. I beg you in the name of God. If the truth must be told, now you just want to stay there, not because your children they stay there. Because if you love those your children, you're not going to want to teach them violence. You're not going to want to put them for that trauma. Some children for school, their teachers they complain every time, say they're not they open, they're not they smart, they're not they play as the rest children they play because they cage, because they fear, because they traumatized for waiting that they see for their parents' hand. Please, my African men, please, I beg you. Tradition not say me kuna not love. Tradition not say me kuna not they settle things amicably. If you love your woman, if you love your man, not they raise your hand, they beat them. I beg you, because the way you treat your partner, now so your kids go grow up. Because now we the parents, now be our children first role model. Make una beg because of our children, because of the next generation. Most stop all this nonsense. Many of our men not wear, with all due respect, they not wear, but they will tell you say they wear. That's the way wear, not go carry hand, hit woman when children they ask. All this oibo wo they see so. Not say they not the quarrel, not say they not the fight, but they can never do it in front of their kids. They not go try. If they want quarrel, they go restaurants. They go make sure say those children not dey there. If their children they come, you see them they by the form lovey to train those children to know what to be love. Like seriously, they not they do it for front of their children. Where we be say we Africans now where our children dey, we the feel say want teach them how to strong. Now there for the show our muscle for our women body, for our men body, for our partner body. This is really bad, my brothers and sisters. More deviate from all these things. I beg una. Una way be women we no want come out for all this kind of marriage. We no want stop to the think for una head saying na love. If man not beat una, he no love una, make una stay, but more una not born. I beg una in the name of God, more una not born, more una chop wetin una wan chop for man hand, more una decide to chop, but more una take una kiss out of am, make una not born, more una just dey inside. If una don born, if una no wan save una life, more una save those children life. Because of those children, more una sacrifice, leave that marriage, I beg una, because those children deserve better than what you people are giving them. Imagine wetin those children come dey go through. Those children, I believe, as the man come dey beat their mama, those children come dey cry. I believe so. Pikin wey dey say make e no wake, when the woman don dey shout, they go wake, come dey look say you dey beat your wife, or they look say you dey beat your husband. Is this life, my African brothers and sisters? If the neighbor no call police, believe me, you, my Nigerian women can never call police for their husband, especially where I from come. They believe say if you call police for your husband, people will say na you call police for your husband. Oh, wetin people will talk. People will come say, you give your husband to police. What if you die? Who want take off your pikin? You dey for life now. Nobody care about you. Nobody they give you money to buy baby food. Nobody they buy pampers for you. Nobody they ask you how your children take they live. You feel say if you can't die now, 9 people can't take off that your pikin. Nobody really care about you. I beg you in the name of God, sacrifice anything where you need to sacrifice to protect your children. I beg you. Many stories don't they come like this, where our women they endure. They go say na because of the children. Now that they endure. I go put on to una no they endure anything because of those children. Una they punish those children. Una they traumatize those children. Una they make those children they get nightmare whenever they sleep. This thing they make me the vex, because I thought they come across too much story where our African men they beat their partner. Which one be all this one? As in word, now to use her take pass your word, that they endure follow marriage, that they endure follow marriage, now to die for the husband house, now to die with man. Which can't it be this one? And all these men where they beat women, so you know go ever hear and say they fight their fellow men. You know go ever hear and their woman body, now they for the show of conga, now they for the show warrior, now they for the show whatever they choose to show. Which kind of rubbish be all this one and my African men? With respect to all of una, that is this thing really vex me. I don't know why we no one just grow. I was once in that position. I feel saying a normal thing. I feel saying na our birthright for men to the beat us. Not be true. Not be true. If man truly love you, my sister, if woman really love you, my brother, he get the way go to make you understand. We no go resort to quarrel. We no go resort to beating. Like seriously, I beg una in the name of God. I beg una in the name of whatever una believe. Make una take care. Make una draw hand down. Make una go seek for help because una need help. Una no know so una need help. Make una show una children how to love, how not to beat another woman tomorrow, how not to beat another man tomorrow. Make we stop all these things. Give any man where they beat you to police. Now adult women, they just believe say if you do tradition. Wait, who tradition help? Who tradition help? With all due respect to each and every one of you, more than they think for our children, because the suffer where those children they go through is not fair. It's not fair. They're not beg una bring the con this life now. They're not beg una. Who beg una inside? It's sweet you sweet the man. Now make una bring the con life. Wanna give them that sweetness where sweet una one and they do. Wanna give out to those children because they are innocent of few people's bad behavior, your bad choice. They are innocent of it. Which one be all this one? May they just born one pikin for one place where you know say man where you they follow or woman where you they follow, no one change. So they beat person pikin na tradition. If that one a tradition, that tradition should be abolished. With all due respect to my tradition, with all due respect, this thing really need to stop. They make me the vex, like seriously. Which one be all this one? He go come from prison now. The fear where she come the fear say people go come they talk, people go come they talk, people go still talk. I not believe say this one and the first time we don't they beat the woman. I not believe am because man when not they beat woman, he not feel wake up one day start to they beat the woman. The woman don't they endure and he never for once pay for what they do. Now made them they continue, and once they don't they go prison for her. Once the women don't they go prison for her for hitting anybody, believe me you their head go correct. Believe me you they go no say what you they try for your country, you don't try it in another man's country. Which one be that one now? Which one be that one? Love supposed to be enjoyed. Love is not supposed to be abused. Why would they abuse love? Why would they mistake infatuation for love? When you love somebody, you cannot hit this person. Which one be all this one, my Africa brothers and sisters? My adult women, they go no say this thing whether they endure not good. They tell you say, what if people want to talk? What if people want to talk? Until you die. If you die, now the people not go talk again. Until you die, before you go no say what you they endure, you're not supposed to endure them. If they beat you, they look your children, they cry, your heart not they bleed. You know the feel for those children, my ladies. Which one be all this one, my Nigerians? Which one be all this one? Which one will not day? When you are in Rome, you act as a Roman. When you they see people they in love, copy from those people. This belief, what we believe for our head, say na normal, say man they beat person, na so my papa they do, and so my mama they do. It's high time we stop it, because now sickness for our head. Now big sickness. We need therapists, we need doctor, we need somebody to coach us, we need somebody to tell us, say this way not be way. Like seriously, my brothers and sisters. And these men where they beat them, so many of them don't they tell them sorry. Oh. Many of them they sabi talk sorry, they can sabi buy gift to take apologize. Those kind of men no they change. Nobody they change. He don't love you, my sister. He don't love you, my brother. Take your things and leave when you still have the chance now. May you not go left and go hit you for where you're not supposed to hit you. For the same Italy, many years ago, one man blow one woman for eye because he see another woman. He abandon children for house. Unto as woman tell they do now, he wants to talk to her. Enough talk to your husband, they go meet the woman. And so the man take deck can with ring for eye. Now kill the woman till today. Today now the children is nowhere to be found. The woman right now for grand made them not give the children to the man. At the end of the day, who lose? Now the woman. People not see they talk, not be me they talk so. Now I see they talk. So what will say me people not talk? At the end of the day, people will still say it. Please, for the love you have for your children, for the sake of your children, for the future of your children, take a bold step and stop this toxic marriage. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of whatever you believe. You not get the beat pass. This report will come out so he not reach to beat woman put. Even though the woman off the set, you understand say she dey vex. I believe say before the woman carry remote go off one, he don't they tell her, not be the first time. I know they by any chance they support me, you they disrespect your husband. But there is a way you understand some women. If love really dey, you should know when your woman is angry. You should know when your husband is angry. Make that understanding day. When understanding not day, no say love no day. No so na not love each other. To stay with somebody for the rest of your life, no say you know this person, no say this person they capable to respect and worship you. This set of people where they beat person, where they do domestic violence, so they don't they respect their woman or their man. They don't get one atom of respect for these women. They go cheat, they go beat them, they know they care about them. Yeah, no they come first no they come, nothing they come where they buy this their woman gift or their husband gift. You know they what one come they suffer put for inside now. Now so love suppose they enjoyable, love suppose they sweet. People will see you, they jealous you, even though not see food eat, but people will just feel saying and I get everything passed for this world. Now so love suppose be. I beg you, my ladies, take a bold step and stop this toxic marriage, stop this toxic relationship one a day because of una children. I beg una, make we not train up generation where go be like us. More not just try out, more stop to they bring up toxic generation for crying out loud. Not be government cause this one, not be government cause this one. Make una beg, make una stop on. I hope you understand. This thing really they make me the vex. I thank God say they arrest this man before he come back. At least this woman will still pour water for body. I thank God say they arrest this man before this man come. The children will still get rest of men. They'll fit play as they want. I pray the woman fit show the children how to love. May not put your bank man, may not put the frustration for the children body, because too much of frustration they make us they bring up bad seed. They make us they train bad generation. They make us they give the bad message to our children. I hope you understand. I hope we all deviate from these things. I hope we stop hitting our partner. Our partner supposed to be our second. Our partner supposed to be our half. I beg you, my brothers. I beg you, my sisters. Please go for somebody that you know truly and really love you. When somebody they hits you, the person don't love you. You not get a person they get hot temper rich. If he truly love you, it can never hit you. It's not possible. It's not possible. If somebody love you, if you they misbehave, if the person come, if you see that person, go be like say they pour cold water for your body, you go mellow. Now you supposed to be the cold water where they quench that fire where they that person body. If you not be like that, my sister, if you not be like that, my brother, don't be too desperate. Not they think what people want talk, or not they think say your friend don't marry, say you must marry, or you they think say you don't do for this relationship for 50 years. So now this person you must die with. Now this person you must marry. Is not supposed to be like that. Is not supposed to be like that, because not be all long relationship they end for marriage. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you, because of your children, take some bold decision. I never mean to disrespect anybody. If this video offend you, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I just want you and I to be okay. I just want you to make the right choice. I just want you to make your kids happy. I just want you to stop making your kids feel like slaves in their own father and mother's home. please, I beg you. Some children, if they dey with some oyibo, they free pass if they dey their papa and their mama house, because wetin they see not be wetin children supposed see. Make una beg, make una change. I beg you all in the name of God. I beg you all in the name of whatever you believe. Oyibo can never do this thing what they do. So they'll go quarrel for outside, they want to quarrel for house. I just hope to copy the good things from the Western world where we dey. If you're in Rome, my brother, act like a Roman. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you don't take this video personal. I hope you don't take any of my video personal. I know they advocate for women to put their husband for prison. I they advocate for, if you know say you dey toxic marriage, leave. And if the man and the type wey be say he dey stuck, he no wan let you go, he dey form is me that love you pass, give am to police. Nothing dey happen. Give am to police. If the family no understand, ask the family if you na their pikin whether they go take am likely. Wetin they no go do, you mona no dey do am to another person pikin. I beg una in the name of God. Many of our husband family, they used to dey tell women endure zingbe. Na so they zingbe follow man, and they no go tolerate wetin they say make you dey tolerate follow their brother. They no go tolerate wetin they say make you dey tolerate follow their sister. I beg you to please apply wisdom when it's really necessary. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till I come your way next time. This Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Pardon my anger today. This thing they go on for years. Many people they lose their loved ones because of domestic violence. Many kids they lose their father, their mother because of the wrong decision where they take. Till I come your way next time, don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Don't forget to follow me up on my Facebook page, on my Instagram, Sophie Universe. Don't forget to share my video, and don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Till the next video, one love.